Welcome to my vlog, The Traveler. This is me, Anna George. Why Vagamon for paragliding? Vagamon's unique topography make it a perfect spot for paragliding. Vagamon is a hill station in Kerala. Vagamon is known for the hill covered with green grass and have strong winds which will support paragliding. From the sky, you can see tea plantations, dense forest and Vagamon Lake also. How to reach Vagamon? Vagamon is well connected by road. If you are coming from Kochi, you can take a cab ride to Vagamon. The nearest railway station to Vagamon is Kottayam railway station and the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport. The location for paragliding is in the adventure park in Vagamon. The ideal time for paragliding in Vagamon is from September to March when the weather is pleasant and the winds are favorable. This period also offers clear skies, enhancing the visual experience during paragliding. This is your first time in paragliding? Don't worry. Vagamon caters to all. Tandem paragliding is the most popular option here, where you are securely strapped to an experienced pilot who does all the hard work for you. All you have to do is to sit back and enjoy the ride and let the wind carry you over the green hills of Vagamon. The cost for paragliding is 4,500 with the camera, and without camera it is 4,000. I would recommend you to go with the camera option. I know it is little costly, but the experience is totally worth it. The duration of the paragliding is usually from 15 to 30 minutes. It totally depends upon the weather condition and the wind. The takeoff spot is from the adventure park in Vagamon. There are many other adventure sports also in the adventure park, but I was mainly interested in paragliding. During paragliding, safety is a top priority, and we have certified instructors here to make sure that you have a secure and enjoyable experience. Here are few tips for you. Please make sure that you wear a comfortable and weather appropriate dress. Don't forget to wear shoes and always listen carefully to your instructor. Don't panic in the middle of the air and don't panic your instructor also. Stay calm and enjoy the ride. So that's all for today's adventure. Paragliding in Vagamon is not just an activity, it was an unforgettable experience for me. tuned for more exciting content. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Anna George signing off.